Good morning, students. As we know that we have already started the explanation of the chapter, that is chapter 10, and our topic of the chapter is grasslands. Okay. So as we know that already I have explained you from the story time, and I have also explained you the introduction of this chapter, that is grasslands of the world. And these grasslands are also named in the different countries. Also, it has got different names. Like in the North America, they are the Paris. Okay, in the Central and Eurasia, they are also referred to as steppes. In the South Africa, they are called wells. Okay, in Australia, they are known as the downs, and in South America, they are known as the pampas. So you have to keep in your mind that this grass, okay, grasses or the meadows has got different kind of things, different kinds of names. Okay, they are according to the species. Some are small grasses, some are tall grasses also, but they are, we simply say it grass, but other countries may say it berries. Okay, some say it the steppes, some call it the wells, some call it as a downs, or also they are the pampas. The word Paris is a French word which was the means the grasslands or the meadows. Most of this grassland can be seen in the temperature zone only, where there is neither too hot nor too cold, and not that much rainfall also, no rainfall also. If there will be so much rainfall, grasslands cannot grow. Okay, if there will be plenty amount of the rainfall, then grasslands cannot grow. If there will be no rainfall, then also grasslands cannot grow. So in order to means grow grasslands, what we know, need the adequate, the proper amount of the rainfall is required. Okay, as we have studied the location, that they are about the Paris are triangular in shape, as we came to know, as I have showed you in the here also. Okay, you came to know, I have showed you here. I'll do it here. I have showed you here. Design the triangular shape which comprises, which remains the approximately the area is nearly about 1.4 million square kilometer. Okay, 1.4 million square kilometer or the miles. They are also start from the Canada in the north and the Mexico in the south. Rocky Mountains are located in the west, and the Paris River Ohio and the Great Lakes are located towards the east side. So this is all about the location and the introduction of the chapter. So now we are going to discuss from rivers. Okay, the most important river flowing through the Paris are Mississippi and the Missouri. Okay, the most important rivers in the Paris is the Mississippi and Missouri. Okay, some of the major cities in the area is Chicago, Dallas, Texas, Colorado, Oklahoma, and Minneapolis. The water for the irrigation other purposes come from these rivers. So, students, what is written here, that the most of the rivers of the Paris are came from the Mississippi and the Missouri. Okay, it is a place name. You will think that this is a eatable things or what? This is not a eatable things or a dish. It is a place name. Okay, from the Mississippi or the Missouri, you will get the waterfall. Okay, most of the waterfall comes from there. Okay, some of the major cities in the area are Chicago. Okay, which is very famous. Maybe you heard in the some movies also this name, some Bollywood, Hollywood movies. Okay, you can heard this name Chicago. Then Dallas we can heard, Texas, then Colorado, Oklahoma, Minneapolis are the some of the places. Okay, the water for the irrigation and other purposes come from these rivers, like the farming water. When anybody do farming or agriculture, they need water. Yes, they need water. They get water from where? From this rivers only. The nearby city also get the river water from these rivers only. Okay, if we talk about the wildlife in the Paris, the animals in the temperature grasslands are well adapted to dry and windy conditions. Bisons were once found in the millions, but now they are gradually become extinct. So you see, the animals in the temperature of the grasslands are very much well adapted to the dry and the windy climates. Okay, windy conditions. Bisons were once found. Once upon a time, there was a bisons found at the millions of years ago. Okay, but now they are gradually extinct. Okay, but now they are gradually extinct. Now they are not available. There are grazing animals like gazelle, okay, and deer. There are also some grazing animals. Grazing means the animals, those animals that eat grasses, okay, they are called the grazing animals. Okay, the animals those eat the grasses, they are called the grazing animals. Some you can find the grazing animals also like gazelle and deer, also mice, jack, rabbits, snakes, and coyotes are also present in this region. You will find the mice also, you will find small jackrabbit you can find, okay, snake and the coyotes also are present in this that region. Okay, vegetation, if you speak, then you will know that grasslands are generally open and the flat bed with the short grasses. Okay, grasslands means the grasslands area of the grasslands are the short grasses you can find there, which are open field. You can see wherever all this no boundaries there, all thing is like open. Okay, then also during the rainy seasons the grasslands are covered with the flower, and when there will be rainy season, they all everywhere that grasslands will be flower will be there because of the nearby small trees. Okay, the soil is fertile, which is useful for growing crops and pastures, land for grazing. The soil of that grasslands are very fertile, which is very useful for the grazing of the cows. Okay, and also the soil which is present in the prairies. Okay, which is present in the prairies is a very much good quality also. For this reason, the grasses grow very easily in that area, and as a result this remain as Greenland. Okay, the most of the grasslands have been converted into farmland. Okay, now people took that grassland, simply lying down the land. Okay, they took that land, and what they are doing, they are doing the farming there. They are growing up the crops there. Okay, different types of the grasses are found in such a needle grass, wire grass, bunch grass, sage grass, and little blue stem. So you can find the different kind of grasses there. Okay, the types of the grasses which are found in there in that places are needle grass. Needle grass is a type of a needle shape is a existing there. Okay, in needle grass you can find the needle shape will be there. If you touch, then you will find like a needle. It is a very sharp in shape. Needle grasses you can find. You can also find that wire grasses. Wire grasses are type of a just little bit bend. Okay, then bunch grasses means so many amount of the grasses you can get. Sage grass and the little blue stem you can find. There are different species and the varieties of the grasses which are found in the Greenland. Okay, and the prairies. Okay, so you can see these tall grasses can grow up to the 8 feet in height. So it grows up to the 8 feet. My height is up to 5.8. Okay, you can think about the 8 feet more than me. It will be very much taller than means your time. It will be if you take your height. Okay, if you take your height, it will be into 4 you have to do or 5 you have to do. Then only equal will come. Your height will be nearly 3 foot or 4 foot. Okay, so if you measure it properly, then also you will get the height of the grass. Okay, students, as you see that we came to the crops now, as we have already discussed about the wildlife in the prairies and the vegetation. Now we will discuss about the crops. Prairies are also known as a wheat basket of the world. Okay, Paris, the place called Paris, also known as a wheat basket of the world. Why it is so? Because wheat is grown in the large amount of the area in the Paris. Okay, in the people grow mostly their wheat. Okay, this is why the Paris are also called so. Okay, what is the name of the wheat basket of India? The name of the wheat basket of India is Paris. Okay, so for this reason we came to know that the wheat basket of India or wheat basket of the world is the Paris. Okay, Paris are the wheat basket of the world. Okay, there are large wheat farms here. Wheat is also exported around the globe. So there are so many wheat farms you can find, and these wheats are exported in the all over area of the globe. In each and every corners of the country, this okay, these farms, this wheat are being sent. The people are sending their wheat from one place to another to the far away places also. Okay, corn, soybean, barley, rice, then oats and cotton are also grown there. So there are different kinds of things which are you can find soybean to rice, cotton, oil, some oil also. Okay, the eastern part of the Paris is used for cultivation and the corn, and the central part is used for growing wheat. The eastern part of the Paris is used for cultivation and the central part is used for growing wheat. So students, this was today's explanation. I hope that you like the classes. Okay, so do watch, okay, the video. If you did not understand, you can call me up and you can ask me your doubt. If you have doubt or something, you can call me directly. If you have written the question answers, please send the photos of it. I will do the online checking also. If your school open, then I will check the class copies in the your classes only. Okay, till then, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.